Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the concept of collaborative methodologies or collaborative technologies, guys. So here we'll be discussing about some kind of basic things which we all know nowadays. Okay, yes. So these things all we experienced also, guys. Okay. So here we'll be discussing about how you can interact with your colleague or your coordinates on project works or any kind of works such that you both can continue your work smoothly, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on what we are going to discuss. Okay, so let us start. So cooperative technologies refers to tools and system designs to better facilitates the group work both in office and remote. So basically when a project is given to you, you are not the only one working on the project, right? So there will be a multiple members, a minimum team of around 7 to 25 members or 15 members will be there, guys. So that is the reason why you all should have coordination among yourself. So if there is a huge project, you'll be dividing into multiple parts and sharing among yourselves. So in this way the coordination and all those works. But when you want to communicate with your team members, so two things are really important. So the teamwork should be in a proper way, that is nothing but sharing things and helping each other should be there. Similarly, two-way communication. So basically if someone says that this idea might not be good, you should reply, everyone should give their reviews, and based on these things only the idea strength will increase, guys. Okay, similarly the technologies used will be, so for basic communication you can use emails, messaging apps. For conferences you can use Zoom application or video call or any kind of meetings. Similarly coordination you can use some kind of calendar. So basically communication is nothing but some kind of chatting applications and all those things. Conferences is nothing but some kind of serious meetings, and coordination is nothing but having understanding on what others are doing. So some kind of calendars or tracking softwares can be used. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about this. Yes. Okay, so now we are done with the second unit also, guys. Okay, so the only suggestion that I am giving you is that please go through each and every topic, guys. So please don't leave any topic. Okay, and if there are any missing topics in this unit also, please let me know, guys. I'll be updating it if there are any missing topics. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So why I told you right now is because I'm not going to record any kind of separate review video of this unit. So that is the reason why I'm saying right here itself. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture we will be discussing about the third unit, in which first we will be discussing about the project formulation, which is one of the most important expected question in your examination. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.